We've watched the sun for centuries, but when scientists recently zoomed closer than ever before, they found something strange moving across its surface. The discovery came from the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope in Hawaii, one of the most powerful telescopes ever built specifically to study the sun. Its incredibly sharp images revealed tiny structures curling across the sun's surface, almost like waves beginning to break across an ocean. To understand what's happening, imagine two ocean currents flowing beside each other at different speeds. Where they meet, the boundary can start curling into waves and whirlpools. Something similar is happening on the sun. Fast-moving plasma slides past slower plasma, creating twisting patterns scientists call Kelvin-Helmholtz instability.